Hi guys, welcome back to Savish Kitchen. Today I'll be making the most trending dalgona coffee. It's kind of a beautiful, silky and creamy coffee which you can make using just 3 ingredients. The first thing is instant coffee. I'm just using 2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. It's just equal proportions of each ingredient. And you just have to whip it until it becomes a soft peak consistency. Just simple as it is. If you have a hand mixer, feel free to use it. It will take only about 5 minutes or maybe less. But here I'm using my hand whisk to show how to do it without an electric mixer. This is also known as whipped coffee. This beverage was originated in India and Macau. Now the coffee mixture has become a bit shiny and soft and a beautiful soft peak consistency. I'm going to put some ice cubes before I pour in the milk. You can either use hot milk or cold milk.
Time to enjoy your coffee. Bye until next time.